Good afternoon, one and all. So I'll be helping you out to do the programs in command line arguments using the Getopt today. Uh, Here in this particular program, this is a program that we saw in class today. Here we have to import. First of all, you have to write this program in a Python file. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is you have to click File, then click New, and create a Python file. Not any kind of file, a Python file only, not a notebook file. You cannot click plus over here and create a new notebook file. It is not like that. You should go only for a Python file. Okay, after getting a Python file, you can rename it into some other name. For the time being, I am just considering this as my file, and the program is already copied through WhatsApp. You can just copy that into your uh, Python file and save it. Save Python file like this. Okay, so you have all the things here. And in this particular program, let me explain the program first. Here you have uh, two libraries, that is the getopt and the sys functions. I mean, first you are importing the getopt and then you are importing the sys. After that, this is nothing but a list containing all the arguments from the second element till the end. Okay, that is the second indexed element till the end. Why we are not considering the first element? Because first element is always considered as the the file name. That's why we are not considering this thing. And after that, we are putting the whole thing, this whole thing, under a try block, because we don't want the program to be interrupted or getting out of it due to an error. If some error occurs, we don't want the particular program to stop abruptly. So that's why we are putting this particular thing inside a try block. So whatever happens within the try block, it won't directly go out of the program. Rather, it will come to this except, that means an exception, where the particular error will be handled by this exception. Okay, so as an error occurs, this is the thing that will be displayed over here. Okay, all right. And now let's see the program. So we are going to pass the arguments like this. So let me simultaneously show you the terminal window also. So this is the terminal window. Here what I'm going to pass here is I'll be writing it as Python space the what is the name of the file. The name of the file is pretty much here, command underscore line 2 dot py, command underscore line 2 dot py space. And after that, I'm going to give the options here. So what are the options that we have actually? That is hyphen, we have the short options here, we have the short options here, and we have the long options here. So these two things actually give us uh, I mean, if you want to send a particular kind of a data, suppose if it is here, it is being given as like help, M is some other kind of data, D is some other kind of data, and we want to tag that particular data under M category. Then what you have to do is you have to put like this hyphen M. And one more thing that you have to see here is here you have given M here, isn't it? M is always expecting something else after it. That means the M is expecting something else because there is a colon after this M. So we have to specifically mention something after that M. So that can be either a number or a string. I can say that hello, this is M, like that. I can put it like that, or you can write it as a number also. Okay, you can write it as a number, anything. So you are giving values for this particular M, and after that you are specifying values for this long options. Remember, this is your terminal. And one more thing, as I said, you have to bring this particular terminal to your current directory, then only this particular thing will work. Okay, this currently this thing is working under unit underscore 4 python, which is my directory over here. You have to bring your terminal to this particular directory. And afterwards, what you have to do is you are going to type this much: python command underscore line 2.py hyphen m space some value. And after that, you are giving the long options. For long options, what you have to do, you have to put two hyphens like this, and then put the whatever that is being given as a long option, and you are going to give it as help, and you are again going to specify what it is. So let's see, you're going to this, I'm going to write it like this is a help file. Okay, so remember, whenever you have a space inside a string, you have to keep them under quotes. You have to keep all the string under the quotes. Okay, now if I press enter, what will happen, we'll see. We can see that the options are hyphen m with an argument, I mean, whatever that is with the option, m is 9, and with the help, there aren't anything being sent. There aren't any more options with help, but the argument with help is this is a help file, which is perfectly framed under a list. So I hope this is clear for you. You can just do it at home. Only thing is that you have to make the directory exact in the current directory. You have to work in the current directory only. Okay, thank you.